Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 language arts. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select language arts from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter dictionary skills, and the lessons we're going to cover today are use guide words, use dictionary entries set 1, use dictionary entries set 2, and use dictionary definitions. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, here I am on grade 3 language arts. We are going to start with the chapter dictionary skills. So let's just start with the first lesson. Let's just start with the first lesson, use guide words. Okay, let's just see what is guide words. Here is the definition of the guide words. Just listen to me carefully. Guide words appears on each page of a dictionary. If you have a dictionary, go get your dictionary and follow the instructions we are reading. Got it? Okay, they tell you the first word and the last word on the page. The other words on the page come between the guide words in alphabetical order. Got it? So how do you look at the dictionary? Basically, the guide words are the words that appear on each page of a dictionary. Got it? To put words in alphabetical order, put them in order by their first letter. If the first letters are the same, look at the second letter. If the second letters are the same, look at the third letter and so on. If one word is shorter, then there are no more letters to compare. Then the shorter word comes first in alphabetical order. For example, BE comes before bed. Got it? Like BE, you have BE in the dictionary first, then after BE, you have a bed. Got it? So basically, we are going to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Here is an example. You have elephant, elf, elm, and else. So since elm is between the guide words elf and else, it would be found on that page, like they are on the same page. Got it? If you are looking at the dictionary, you can find elf, elm, and else on the same page. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions, then it will be more basically here you are going to tell the explanation is about how to see words in the dictionary. Got it? Okay, which word you find on a dictionary page with the following guide words? Okay, key and new. Which word is which word would you find on a dictionary page with the following guide words? Basically, they are the guide words. Key and new, they are the guide words. So you're going to find the word that is between these guide words. Got it? So which word is it? Kindness or kayak? See, the first word is K for all the words. Now the second one here is KE. That means you have the second letter would be the one that is after E. Got it? So look at both the words. Here you have KI and KA. KA is not the correct option because A is before E. So here you have the word that is in between KE and KN. So it would be kindness. That means the kindness is the word that is in between this page. Got it? You have to look for the second one. Here you have E. So all the words, all the alphabets that are after E would be on the same page. The first word would be K and the second word would be the one that is after E. So it would be kindness. Got it? Okay, would you find the word chocolate on a dictionary page with the following guide words? Okay, we have to see if we can find the chocolate in between Carol and Cocoon. Let's see. Here you have CA. Got it? Here you have CO. Just look at the first word of all of them is C. The second one of the chocolate is H. So let's see just if H is in between. Let me. Very good. The answer is yes. Because look for the second word. Got it? Because you can see here you have the second word is A and O, and you have H is in between A and O. So that means yes, you can find the word chocolate in between these guide words, Carol and Cocoon. Got it? Okay, the next one is would you find the word behavior on a dictionary page with the guide words with of the following guide words? Okay, boy and broken. Can you find behavior here in between them? The second letter is B. E, sorry. The second letter is E. Here you have O and R. So E is in between O and R? No, E is before O. That means behavior is not on the same page with these guide words. Got it? The correct option is no. Got it? Okay, the next one is which word would you find on a dictionary page with the following guide words? Babies and blaze. So you need to see which word is in between baby and blaze. Is it best or buckled? Which is the correct option? If the first letter is same, you have to look for the second letter. So for all of them, the first letter is B. Now look at the second letter. Yes, it would be best because the second letter of babies is A and the blaze is L. You need to see if the second letter E is in between A and E. Yes, A and L. E is in between A and L. U is after L. That means buckled is on maybe next page. Got it? So it would be the same page would be best. Very good. Okay, the next one is which word would you find on a dictionary page with the following guide words? Kerosene and knives. Which word is in between kerosene and knives? Kitchen or kangaroo? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? All of them have the first letter K. Just look for the second words. Here you have E and here you have N. Okay, just look at the second word here, I and A. So here you have I that is in between A and N, but A is before E. That means the kangaroo is before this page, not on the same page. But I is in between E and N. So kitchen is on the same page with the guide words kerosene and knives. Got it? Correct option is kitchen. Okay, would you find the word leash on a dictionary page with the following guide words launch and lonesome? Which is the correct option? Yes or no? Which is the correct option? Yes. Leash is on the same page because E is in between A and O. Got it? So the correct option is yes. Very good. Okay, let's just move on to the next one. Okay, would you find the word scent on dictionary page with the following guide words? Seller and certain. You need to see if you have sent on the same page. Okay, see, they have first two letters same. Got it? C-E, C-E, and C-E. Now you have to look for the third word. You need to see if the third word here is L and here is R. You need to see if N is in between them. Yes, N is in between them. That means you can find the page, the words sent on the same page with the guide words certain and seller and certain. Got it, everyone? The correct option is yes. Okay, the next word is, would you find the words include on a dictionary page with the following guide words innocent and instead, which is the correct option? Now you have the first two words are exactly same, first two letters are exactly same. You have to look for the third one. Got it? Here you have N and here you have S. Yes or no? N and S. Do we have C in between them? No, C is before N. That means it wouldn't be on the same page. Got it? Correct option is no. Got it? Okay, the next one is, would you find the word wander on the dictionary page with the following guide words walked, wash, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes or no? You have the first two letters exactly same. You have to look for the third one. Got it? That's what I explained when reading the definitions. Here you have L and here you have S. Here the third one is N. Do we have N in between L and S? Yes, N is in between them. That means yes, you can find the wonder on the same page. Got it? You can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Got it? A bit tricky, but if you can do all of the practice questions, then that will be very easy for you. Let's just start with the first one. Use dictionary entries set one. Okay, let's just look at the definitions. A dictionary entry gives you many kinds of information about a word. Got it? So the entry word is the word you look up. Entry words are listed in alphabetical order. Got it? The first one is the entry word, and that means they are in the alphabetical order. Then you have the pronunciation. Pronunciation tells you how the word should sound. Got it? Like that, in writing spellings, words are different when you pronounce. They have different sound. The part of speech tell you whether the entry word is a verb, adjective, or some other part of speech. So you can see in a dictionary, you have word like this written, and then you have some things written as different slashes like this. Got it? So this is the explanation of these things. Then you have the different forms of entry word are listed so that you can see how to spell them. Most dictionaries list the plural forms for noun entry, comparative and superlative forms for adjective entries, and conjugations for verb entry words. Got it? You can find the form of words also on the same page. A definition that tells you what the entry word means. Then at last you have the definition. Got it? Okay. A sample sentence show you how the word can be used in the context, and you also find the sample sentence. Got it? These are the dictionary entries. This is the definition of the, you can see here, sharp. Here is a word you have to look for, the sharp. Then you have how to pronounce. Then it is adjective, and here is the form. You can write it as sharpest also. Then here is the meaning, thin or pointed, able to cut things easily. Scott almost cut himself on the. Here is a sentence, how to use the word in the sentence. Got it? Let's just start with the practice question. Basically, when you are searching a word for the dictionary, you just don't have the meaning of the word. You have the form of the verb, the different type of information related to a word. Like select the pronunciation in this dictionary entry. Walk. Here is the dictionary. Here is the pronunciation, then the form, it is actually a verb. You can use it as working or worked, and the meaning is to do your job or something else that is important. Here is the meaning of the word work. Here is the sample sentence: Aaron works at the clinic. Got it? So the correct option is option number one. You can pronounce like work, WURK, not work. Pronunciation is a bit different. Got it? Okay, the next one is select the second definition in the entry dictionary entry. You can find another definition. Got it? Thin. The first one is not thick or wide. I wonder that's inside that thin package. Not heavy or fat. All of the runners are thin and fit. Watery or running. The turkey gravy was too thin. So, which is the second definition of the word thin? The second definition means you have another meaning. You just don't have only one meaning. You have more than one meanings. It would be option number one, not heavy or fat. That would be the other meaning of the word thin. Got it? Okay, the next one is short. Select the part of speech in the dictionary entry. You have to see what part of speech it is. Short, short, noun it is, and you can use that shorts. Got it? So where is the part of speech? Is it short or noun? Part of speech means it is, you have to tell me if it's, you have to tell if it's noun, verb, adjective, conjugates, and whatever it is. So you can see in definition that would be the noun. Got it? That means the word short is a noun. Got it? Okay, the next one is sharp. You can pronounce like sharp. You have a select the pronunciation in the dictionary entry. So which is the pronunciation of the word sharp? You don't pronounce R. You pronounce H. Got it? Sharp. R is silent. So which is the pronunciation? That would be option number one. Got it? Okay, select the entry word in the dictionary entry. Entry word you have to look for the keep. Keep. Verb is keeping and kept. The meaning is to store. We keep the gardening tools in the shed. So which is the dictionary entry or entry word? Entry word in the dictionary is keep. If you have to look for the meaning of kept or keeping, you have to look for the word keep. They are the different form of the word keep. Got it? Select the pronunciation in the dictionary entry. Lead, Lead, but you pronounce Led. You don't pronounce A. It would be lead. So you have to look the pronunciation entry. Which is the pronunciation entry, option one or two? The pronunciation entry would be option number one. Select the part of speech in the dictionary entry. Bar. You can pronounce, you have H, like you can pronounce, you have an H. So, noun, bars, a long piece of metal or wood. Kathleen climbed on the monkey bars. So, which is the part of speech? You can see the word noun here. The parts of speech are nouns, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, they all are the pronouns. So, that means the word bar is the noun. Got it? Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. Next lesson is use dictionary entries set 2. Okay, find the following words in the dictionary. I think you don't have the tutorial for. Let's just see. Okay, please get a dictionary, go through the words and structure as mentioned in the previous lesson. Further explanation and details about how to properly use. Okay, so basically you have to look for these words in the dictionary. Got it? You have to follow the same instructions we did in lesson 1 and lesson 2. So please make, if you have a dictionary, go get your dictionary and try to find these words in the dictionary using the instructions we have learned in lesson 1 or lesson 2. Got it? That basically that is a practice example you have to do with the dictionary. Got it? Let's just move on to next lesson. You have to do this on your own. Okay, the next one is use dictionary definitions. Okay, look at the sentence. Panchu practiced hitting the high notes on the flute. Select the definition of high that the sentence uses. So sometimes you have the words, you have to identify the meaning of the word according to the sentence. Got it? You can see the word high. Usually high is used for something that is tall. Got it? But here you have high notes on his flute. Got it? It is, you have three types of different meanings. They are very tall, a large distance above the ground, having an elevated pitch. So high notes on his flute, that is something, tool that makes sound. So high notes means having an elevated pitch. The pitch is highest. That would be third one. So some of the words, you have to understand the meaning of the words according to the sentence actually. Got it? That's why in the dictionary you are given with more than one meaning of a word. Got it? Okay, baseball game draw a lot of people to Yardley Park. So you have to look for the definition of the word draw that the sentence uses. Three definitions are to make a picture with pen, pencil, or crayon, to pull something up, or to bring in or attract. So, which is the meaning of the word draw here? Which is the correct option? That would be to bring in or attract. Basically, the draw word means here is yes, attracting people. Got it? So, it would be the second one to bring in or attract. Third one is the correct. Yes, option number two actually it is. Okay, Franklin practiced hitting the high notes on his flute. That's the one we did on the tutorial. And also the answer is highlighted. It would be having an elevated pitch. Got it? Okay, look at this sentence. Airplanes, ships, and automobiles are widely used forms of transportation. You have to look for the word forms. Basically, the form means a piece of paper that you fill out with information. That is form. To shape or something or someone, a type. Walking is an easy form of exercise. So, which is the correct option? Yes, here the word form means type of transformation. You have different types of transformation. Got it? So, that would be a type is the correct option. Very good. Okay, look at this sentence. Mr. Yacht was clear, so I had no trouble understanding him. Select the definition of clear that the sentence uses. You have to look for the definition of the word clear. Easy to see through, easy to understand, not blocked. So, which is the meaning of the clear here? Which is the meaning of the word clear? Mr. Yacht was clear. That means easy to understand. Got it? Clear means easy to understand. Look at this sentence. The tree fell, the tree fell and struck the ground with a loud thud. So basically, select the definition of strike that the sentence uses. The word sentence has a definition: to hit or slap something or someone, to light or match, to make a sound, to set time. So which is the correct option? Option 1 or 2? The word strike means to hit or slap. That would be the second option. Very good. After finishing his meal, Mr. Pearson left a tip at the bar. So what, select the definition of bar that the sentence uses. Bar, a long piece of metal or wood, a chunk of something like soap, a counter where food and drinks are served. So which is the correct option? Yes, the answer is already highlighted. It is a counter where food and drinks are served. Got it? Okay, Panchu started hitting the high notes on his flute. So which is the correct option? The second one is the correct option. Here the word high means having an elevated pitch. When Luther started to feel faint, Miss Letter told him to lie down for a while. So what does the word faint means here in the sentence? Hard to hear, hard to see because it is not bright or clear, or dizzy. So which is the correct option? Lightheaded, dizzy or lightheaded. So which is the correct option? Mr. Luther started to feel faint and Miss Lester told him to lie down for a while. So which is the correct option? Yes, that would be the second option. Dizzy, dizzy means lightheaded. Got it? Okay, we are done with the chapter dictionary skills. So we were working on grade 3 language arts. The chapter we have started today is dictionary skills. The lessons we have covered are use dictionary words, use dictionary entries set 1, use dictionary entries set 2, and use dictionary definitions. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. For the you have still 10 minutes. You can go find your dictionary and you look for the words that are given on the lesson. And if you have any question, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. If you have any question, you can ask. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.